Hello and welcome to our channel. For today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Roblox language. Before we started, please don't forget to like and subscribe and click the notification bell for you to be updated to our latest tutorial videos. Without further ado, let's now begin. The first thing you're going to want to do is open up a new browser, and you want to come across to roblox.com, the official website for Roblox. And then what you want to do from here is log into your account. So if you click the login button up in the top right hand corner, and then just want to go ahead and enter details to log in. Okay, so once you're logged in into your account, you're going to be taken to your dashboard, which can obviously look like this, and change the language from here. It's very simple to do. What you're going to want to do is come up to the settings icon. So that's actually this gear icon up in the top right hand corner. If you go and give that a click, then you want to come down and click onto settings, and it's going to take you across to your account page with your account settings. And this way you're going to come to change your language. So all you need to do is actually look down the page slightly, and you want to make sure you're on account info. So if that's not showing, if you look at this menu on the left hand side, all you want to do is click onto account info to make sure you're on a page that looks similar to this. And then if you scroll down under personal section down here, you'll see you've got a drop down box next to language, and you can actually click that and choose from a list of available languages. So once that's done, all you want to do is go and click the save button down here, and once that's done, you'll see that's going to straight away change the language. And there you have it. If you find this video helpful, leave a thumbs up, share to your friends, and hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon in the next video.